TAG19. You've asked for them a few times. I've not sent one yet. So, I'm down here doing a bit of messing about, mostly, playing. Brought some of these with me. I've been promising to show you them. I've already done some flashbangs. I'll throw them in this as well. But yeah, you wanted to see them, so don't know how they're going to work. Let's have a look. Jesus, that was worse than I was expecting. I like these. Woo! So that's before. That's after. I was not ready for how they go off. That's obviously the igniter from in the middle. Pin, spoon, and all the pieces of the shell. That's how it fragmented. So you can imagine, obviously I stayed in the room with that and I got somewhat showered with all these little jaggedy pieces. Now they're only light, but they're sharp, you know, they'll do you some damage. So that's these. Tag in Airsoft Pyrotechnics. Was not expecting that. Very impressed with them. Woo!